Zhangjiagang Sevenstars Machinery Company Limited is located in Zhangjiagang City, China, a beautiful and famous city for all kinds of plastic machine. Our associate company, Zhangjiagang Horse Rider Machinery Company Limited, has 17,000 square meters land and new modern workshop. We mainly development, design, manufacture and marketing plastic pelletizing machine, plastic recycling machine, PET bottle recycling machine, PVC pipe making machine, PE pipe making machine, PVC foam board production line, plastic granulator, plastic shredder, plastic pulverizer, plastic agglomerator, single shaft shredder, double shaft shredder, plastic crusher, and so on. By the several years developing, we grown up to a middle-scaled company in China plastic industry. As one of the reliable suppliers in China, we have keeping improved our management and technology level. Up to now, we have earned good reputation in domestic and abroad market, and our products have been exported to many countries like Mexico, America, Argentina, Chile, Brazil, Russia, and so on. Quality and honest is our foundation. Customer satisfactory is our job. To get win-win is our main target. We always focus on improving our quality, and we have built up a professional after-sale services team with rich experience in machine commissioning and installation. We believe our quality and service will bring success to each customer. Welcome final users and distributors from all the world contact with us and create success. With your support and our effort, we deeply believe that the tomorrow of Sevenstars will be much better.